Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you what I got in the mail today. It is from Lilyllamaprints. Show you. That came in the box with it. I haven't done these before, so I'm excited for it. So I got 50 stickers to start with. Here they are. A little bit shaky because I've been outside, so hopefully you can read that. There we go. Irish Daisy's Adventures. That is my Facebook. Well, my Facebook's Melissa Tyan, but you can find it by Irish Daisy's Adventures. My TikTok, my YouTube, and my Instagram. So check it out. Like and subscribe for me. Hopefully I'll get some more content coming now that it's getting closer to fall. We need to get through August first, of course. But I do have an exciting project that I'm working on, so continue watching to see that.